Tonight we bowl.
Only one will survive.
That's DV8's slogan.
Oh.
DV8, tonight we bowl.
Oh, I thought we were doing like Survivor.
The
like
real
intro.
ones know that. The real ones know BG, which is Big Dog, back at HQ. He's the voice behind all the DV8 videos.
Okay.
When I got to meet him, I was a fangirl, I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, you're the guy in the videos that talks like with the low voice and stuff. Like,
oh yeah.
I grew up throwing DV8.
I knew exactly where you were going with that. That's exactly. I thought we were doing like some Survivor.
No, you're just
like,
not an OG, man.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm just a coattail riding little girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you guys didn't know, my man was on DV8 back in the day.
That's right.
Yeah, was your man on DV8 back in the day? No, he wasn't.
No.
No, he wasn't.
Damn right.
Because it was some damn good bowling. I know that.
That's right.
Yeah.
There we
yeah.
go. My guy. Yeah.
See, I'm an OG.
Today we have a brand new ball from DV8, the Intense Collision. Obviously you guys have seen the Collision line and it's been very successful. I'm already going to tell you this one's a banger because I have thrown it a lot since the recording of this video.
He won a lot of money with it.
A lot of money with it. It strikes, it sends messengers, and...
I'm not a fan yet. I'm not sold yet.
We'll convert her maybe. But
I don't know yet.
We are bad bowlers today, so we are going to be still working on some stuff. So we have 2 games of Baker. We're going to be working together. We're going to see what we bowl throwing the brand new DV8 Intense Collision. We're going to talk all about it on the lanes. Let's get to practicing. Okay, we are bowling on a transition house shot, but I'm not going to get too far left. I'm going to say like 27.
Oh, we're starting off hot. We're starting off hot.
That is probably the first trip 4 I've had in 2027. And you want to know what? We're still in 2026.
Yeah, I was just letting it go. I was like sitting over here like, what did I just miss?
I don't know what the hell I just did.
Nate's just skipping to next year.
Okay.
Oh, am I gonna do it?
We can't trip them all, but... Now, I'm gonna preface to y'all. We're going on a heavier house shot. We hit it with a little bit of surface. We obviously had a little bit of warm-up before. I personally think this ball rolls better with surface. That is incredibly attractive.
What?
I said that is incredibly attractive.
Nate loves a good hooker.
I forgot where I was standing. Let's try this. I would say that's a good guess.
Okay, I am going to tell you guys right now why Nate likes this ball. It does not hook on the friction, which is good. It allows him to play further right and stay on top of the friction longer than he can with a lot of other balls that I've seen. Whereas for me, because my speed is not as high as his, I have to still get pretty far left, and I just can't get it to stay on line in that same part of the lane. And it doesn't seem to make the corner as much, but we'll see. Maybe he can convert me, we'll see with this video.
So let's talk about the Intense Collision Cover Stock HK22 C² Havoc Pearl. And that is a strike. Same core in the Collisions, 2.46 RG, 052 differential, 019 intermediate diff. This comes out 500, 1,000, 1,500 factory compound. Good strike. I got to put the score in.
I struck.
Layouts, 60 by 5 by 35. At least has the same layout.
Beautiful. Love it. Alrighty. Okay, I really like that shot. Let's try to repeat it.
Go.
See, that's what I don't necessarily like about this ball. I don't know if it's this core, but it just likes to really get into that roll phase like a little bit too early for me. And I just know if I get on the other side of that, it's going to start to get lazy. And obviously, I can bump up my speed, but it's like, why not play my A game, especially on a house shot? That shot wasn't that bad.
Yeah, it wasn't. It was good. Nice.
You can see it even in that spare. The ball kind of double hooks in that mid part.
This ball honestly just needs friction, and we're bowling in a place that doesn't have a lot of friction, so we have to make it have friction, and that's with surface. But regardless, I bowled in centers with friction, and this ball has been great. It definitely doesn't overhook in those environments. For me, at least, it likes to just pick up and kind of roll, and the lane just kind of takes it over. I can hit this as hard as I want, and I just feel like it's pretty good. We'll move one off the 8-pin. Perfect right there, you know, on the house shot. It's like built-in shim. It just never overreacts.
Like I said, I don't think Nate sees that over-under of that mid lane with this ball where the core does seem to like double hook for me in the middle part of the lane if I don't quite throw it exactly how I want to. Because those last two shots were pretty close to where I wanted them. And one was like high flush and the next one was 4-pin. And I don't really feel like I need to move, but we'll see.
Hey, no.
Yeah, this ball really goes forward a little bit too quick for me.
I mean, to be fair, you haven't matched up with a lot of these.
Yeah, not with the collision
like that whole
series.
collision series, you haven't matched up very well. You get to see both sides of the story, guys. You get to see me that really likes this ball, and Elise, a different player, just has a little bit of a harder time matching up with this thing.
I have noticed in general, people that really, really like the collision series are people that, and they throw it really hard. Like I know Brandon, he loves the collisions, and he fires it harder than Nate.
Yeah. And you can get yours right now at nateandelise.com.
So if you like to fire in,
if you like to fire it in there, this ball's for you. Get it at nateandelise.com. All right, going into the 10th, Elise has 228 that she could help us get to.
I'm gonna try to move left and try to throw it a little bit slower. A little bit more in oil.
Give me one. Jesus.
I could get 9 with this ball all day.
At least you have control of the pocket. Good spare out there. All right, fill it up, Tiger. I like your shirt.
Thank you. I got it at nateandelise.com.
You did?
I did.
I think I heard they got new merch too.
I know. I think so. I think so.
Just in time for league season.
Just in time for league season.
Come off of it?
Yeah, see, then it gets too lazy as I keep going left.
All right, 205. One more game.
Am I starting it off?
You can if you want.
Let me start it off since I'm the weak link right now. This ball.
This ain't for you.
This ball is not for me.
And that's okay. Because guess what?
It's okay because we're going to give it away right now. So if you made it to this point in the video and you want a DV8, what is this ball even called? Intense collision. Could be yours. So make sure you leave this.
They have to be subscribed.
Gotta be subscribed.
And they gotta drop a comment on the video and like the video.
Yes.
If you don't do that, you're not getting the ball. Wow.
I think I lined up for a 610 to be honest, so I made it.
Yeah. Sorry guys, I will not be giving mine away because I like mine.
Yeah, that one's made us too much money already.
It would be very helpful if I knew where I was standing.
Yeah, this ball just looks so good for Nate. I'm just gonna
Yeah,
go
guys,
back.
make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. And if you get something from our website at nateandelise.com, it could be anything, you will get extra entries into the giveaway. So let's say you buy something that's $10 off of this video going
You'll
to our
get
website.
Two extra entries.
2, I was gonna give them 10.
No. Oh, 10. Wow,
Yeah.
you're being really
Because
nice.
if they buy a bowling ball that's 200,
That's true. Okay.
I'll give them 200 entries.
Okay. So you're gonna give them $1. Every dollar is an entry.
Every dollar's an entry.
Okay, there you go.
So go get it. Hey.
Hey.
Hey, hey.
Hey, hey. Was that the 7 that took the 10 out?
No, I think it might have been the 2-pin.
Literally looked like it came straight across.
Got lazy with it.
Don't do that.
Oh, or not.
Okay, wow.
Whoops.
Oh, I thought I did it. Literally, if I had done that in the middle of a video, Nate would have had my ass. He would have been like,
I thought
really?
we were, sorry.
We're just over here. Oh, it was my ball too. Cool.
That's why I missed it, because that one doesn't hook.
Okay.
Gotta have fun sometimes on the channel, right? Go through it.
Come on. Fucking get it. Yes. I really like that shot. I thought that was actually a good shot.
It was decent.
Okay,
I
y'all,
think that right
I don't-
now, you gotta just creep like 2 more to the left because
I'm done. I think I'm done. I think the rest of the review is just you because it's frying
No,
me
we're
out.
gonna finish
No,
the game.
I'm a
We're
quitter.
not quitters here.
I'm a quitter. Look at my shirt. You guys
Says,
see
trust
this?
the process, blame the lane.
Exactly. I'm done. I'm gonna let Nate.
I could.
No, you got it. I
Right.
genuinely have. I don't like this ball.
I'll finish the game out for y'all. 7-2.
All right, that's the last ball I'm ever gonna throw at that ball. Get those
Ooh.
comments down below, and that ball will be to your house till
We're
the
coming
end of
in
the month.
August, September 1st, we're gonna pick a winner. Make sure to go over to nateandelise.com. Get your orders in. $1 equals 1 entry, so $100 equals 100 entries. We're gonna keep track of that. We never let y'all down.
I'm gonna package that up tonight.
Yeah. I'll finish this game out. So we are in the fifth. We're going into the 6th frame. Let's see if I can throw 6 or 7 in a row. Oh boy, that's not a good start.
Are you getting the elisitis?
Yeah, the tugs.
Come on, Nate, show him what this ball really does. Because I literally watched you strike with this ball for like 3 days straight, and I was like, I don't know how he's doing it.
Yeah. Okay. Now, let's get the legs working. Like I said earlier in the video, we were working on stuff. So we got to get the legs working. We got to drive into the line, not use our arm to throw the bowling ball. Less is more. All that good kind of stuff. That's why you should get the ball right there. It sends nuclear missiles. It's not going to be the most angular pearl in your bag. Just in the lineup, it's just going to be more of a controllable pearl type of bowling ball. It's going to get down the lane. It's going to be super smooth. Nothing too crazy on friction. I could see it being a little more sideways, but yeah, I haven't really thrown a ton of ASIM pearls from the Brunswick line that I can remember that I really, really loved. This is definitely one of the first ones for me that I really love. So perfect for transition, perfect for getting left, controlling the break point.
Oh. 2 in a row? Come on, you gotta buy it. Everyone should buy one
When
right
you
now.
throw bad shots, it still strikes. Come on now.
You can still save this game for us.
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Oh yeah, that one was good.
That one was good. We're starting to
Starting to heat
get the
up.
legs working again.
Right here. Ready? All three. I believe in you. Right there.
Yeah.
Put the score in before you're even done.
Well, like I said, this ball's great. It's a great addition to the DV8 line. It's going to be one of their...
Are you going to bowl without the pins?
Sorry. It's going to be one of their staples. If you're a DV8 fan, this is going to be a really good ball to add to the arsenal. Little 17-8 action. We're going to bump in a little bit. Like a parallel move, like a 2 and 2. Still be standing on 31.
You make me like want to throw this ball, but then I know I'm going to throw it and hate it. Like you make
Maybe
it
we
look
just need to get another one for you and drill it a little
no,
stronger.
that's it. There's too many
Because it
other
looks like
good
it
ones.
just misses the window or it just goes too
No,
hard.
we're good.
in the
There's
back.
one on the rack right now that I already like better, which if you guys are watching, go ahead and subscribe so you guys can see that video.
Let's go another 2 and 2. So we're standing on 33. Hopefully going to cross 21, 22 with the arrows. Wow. That was one of the ones that I really liked. I just think that I just overmoved. We got 213 out of it.
Thanks, Chief. You really
I'm
saved the
in.
day. I'm
Big dog over
ecstatic
here.
to give this to one of you guys. Ecstatic. The most ecstatic I've ever been in my life. No, there's just sometimes some balls don't match up. You guys know Brunswick comes out with a lot of products, a lot of great ones. Not everyone are ones that are going to be bangers for everyone. There's one in this 6, I forget which one it is. I think it was the the Delta Theorem you were like not a fan of, and I loved it.
Yeah.
So there's just going to be balls like that that match up for your game that might not match up for someone else. Obviously, me and Nate are very different in our speeds and what we do as players. So yeah, this one's just not for me, but it is for you, and I'm excited for that. And hopefully Nate will continue to make money with this one.
Yeah, 100%. The OGs know which ball review video this is on the internet. Let me know down below in the comments. I think this is 17 or 18,
No.
I'm not sure.
No, it's the first one of 2027.
Right, we're gonna save that one for next year.
Yeah, this one's for next year.
Yeah, but yeah, thank you guys so much. If you guys are interested in getting this ball, NateandElise.com. Get yours today. The shirt, the chamois, the bags, the shoes, everything you need, also down below on our website.
Have
Till
another.
next time. What?
Have another. I don't know what's going on with your
I don't
voice
know,
right
like,
now.
I need some
Have another
water.
cigarette.
Have
is
another-
what,
exactly.
Yeah, literally.
We'll see you guys next time. I need some water.